Hello everyone, welcome to Healthy Cooking. Today we are going to try Veg Tahri. Tahri is an aromatic, spiced, one-pot rice and vegetable based dish, basically from Uttar Pradesh cuisine. Let's get started. Once cooker is hot, add 3 tablespoons of ghee. You can use any other oil in place of ghee. Add 1 teaspoon jeera, 3 patta, and other solid spices. Saute till the spices splatters and become fragrant. 1 cup sliced onion. Stir and saute onion till they are almost cooked. Add around 1 spoon each of freshly grated ginger, garlic and chilli and saute for 2 minutes. I am adding 2 medium-sized peeled and mashed tomato. I'll share the link how to make it, but you can roughly chop fresh tomato and add in. Cover the lid and let tomato cook for 3 to 4 minutes. Tomatoes are cooked, we will add masalas. Half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, half teaspoon garam masala. Saute the masalas for 2 minutes. Add the vegetables. The vegetables that are usually added in tahri are cauliflower, peas and potatoes, though you can use any vegetable of your choice. Cook the vegetables for 2 minutes. I am adding half cup frozen peas. If you have fresh one, add it with other vegetables. Add the rice. I soaked the rice just for 15 minutes while I was preparing vegetables. Add salt to taste. Give it a good mix. Add water. For each 1 glass of rice, add 1.5 glass of water. Increase the flame and let water boil or bubble out. Cover the lid and cook it for 2 whistles at high flame. Switch off the gas and let the cooker cool down. Tahri is perfectly cooked. Aroma is so nice. And see, each rice is separate and vegetables are well cooked. You can serve tahri with raita, salad, pickle and enjoy with your family. Thanks for watching and please subscribe for more videos.